Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Srinagar on Thursday. During his two-day visit to the Union Territory, Prime Minister will participate in Empowering Youth, Transforming Jammu and Kashmir event in Srinagar on Thursday evening. He will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of multiple development projects in Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister will also launch Competitiveness Improvement in Agriculture and Allied Sectors project. Prime Minister during his visit will also distribute appointment letters to more than 2,000 youth for different government services. On the second day of his visit, Prime Minister will participate in the 10th International Day of Yoga event in Srinagar. He will also address the gathering on the occasion and take part in the common yoga protocol session thereafter. Jessica Taneja joins us from Srinagar. Jessica, good afternoon. We've just given a broad outline of the Prime Minister's programs in Jammu and Kashmir. Today, he will be inaugurating a number of developmental projects. Let us get more as to how is the day planned ahead with regard to Prime Minister's visit today in Jammu and Kashmir.
Right, we are at SKICC where the Prime Minister is scheduled to arrive at 6 p.m. in the evening today, Preeti. His first visit to Jammu and Kashmir since his election as the Prime Minister, for the third time. And here at SKICC this evening, he will be speaking to various youth from Kashmir and laying foundation stones for various development projects. One that includes an approximate 1,800 crore investment, which is to enhance the agriculture sector, and there are 80 other projects that would see funds to the tune of 1,500 crore rupees. Not to forget, 6 government degree colleges will also be greenlit this evening, and the Prime Minister will be handing out employment certificates to over 2,000 people who would be employed with the government services, etc. So a lot of push for the economy here in Jammu and Kashmir as Srinagar awaits the Prime Minister, and tomorrow, of course, the big event, which is the International Yoga Day, will see the presence of Prime Minister early morning.
All right, Jessica, also very quickly get us a sense of the security arrangements or the security preparedness that has been put in place.
That's correct, Preeti. The Special Security Forces are right here at the SKICC Center. Also, we are told that the SPG, around 150 of them, are inside the venue where the Prime Minister will be at 6 p.m. in the evening. The routes have been thoroughly sanitized towards this center where the events are planned for the Prime Minister both today and tomorrow. No drones can also fly in this restricted area. Traffic is being managed by the Special Security Forces and making sure that there is no security protocol breach throughout the 2 days of the event that the Prime Minister will be attending. So, of course, the focus has been on security. Also, this morning, 2 terrorists were neutralized in the Sopore sector. So, there has been security beef up, and that is a massive one in Srinagar, where every 10 feet you will be able to see forces stationed, making sure that nothing goes amiss in Srinagar for the next 2 days.
All right, that was about the security arrangements, but also, Jessica, behind you, I see a backdrop of the 10th International Day of Yoga. Let us get more from you as to what are you witnessing around you, the excitement of the youth, of the people there, how will they participate? What is it that they're looking forward to with regard to Prime Minister's participation in the event tomorrow, and also the 10th International Day of Yoga being celebrated in Srinagar?
That's correct. It's significant that the Prime Minister chose Srinagar on the banks of Dal Lake, which we will take you in some time as we move out from this center. That's an iconic location, and we're expecting a lot of youths to come and participate with the Prime Minister, practicing yoga tomorrow. Remember, showcasing India's soft power to the world. Yoga 10 years ago was officially announced as an International Yoga Day on the 21st, which will be celebrated tomorrow. So a lot of activity here. We've seen the park in Srinagar as well, where we've seen a lot of people come out and do yoga early morning, and that trend will continue at 6 in the morning, where we'll see the Prime Minister with 1,000 participants who will be with him while the world then celebrates the International Yoga Day here in Srinagar on the backdrop of the picturesque Dal Lake.
All right, Jessica, we leave it here. Thank you for joining in with those details.